They told you to work hard, save diligently, pay off debt slowly. They told you the path to wealth was simple, predictable. They lied. Every single word was a carefully crafted lie designed to keep you exactly where you are, trapped. This isn't just your grandma's financial advice. This is the brutal, unvarnished truth they don't want you to know. The hidden mechanics of money. The system's exploits that keep you enslaved, while a select few exploit them to build empires. You're not broke because you're bad with money. You're broke because you're playing by rules designed to keep you a pawn in their game. Look around you. Inflation isn't just a number. It's a silent assassin, eating your paycheck alive, making your hard-earned money worthless by the day. Credit card debt, a national crisis, $1.25 trillion and climbing, fueled by minimum payments and psychological triggers designed to keep you swiping, trapped in a cycle of regret and despair. They call it financial stress. I call it engineered dependency. They want you stressed, distracted, too tired to fight back. But what if there was another way? What if you could turn the system against itself? What if you could use the very tools banks use to profit from your struggle, to profit for yourself? This isn't magic. It's a strategic counterattack. It's understanding the game and playing it to win. Forget Dave Ramsey. Forget the debt snowball. Those are kindergarten lessons in a Harvard-level game. A game where the stakes are your freedom, your future, your legacy. We're talking about advanced tactics, the kind that make bankers sweat, the kind that can obliterate your debt in years, not decades, and build wealth faster than you ever dared to dream. Let's talk about velocity banking. Sounds complex, right? It's not. It's a financial martial art, using your entire cash flow, not just to pay down debt, but to accelerate its demise with surgical precision. Imagine your entire paycheck hitting a line of credit, HELOC, instantly reducing your interest burden, then using that same line for all your expenses, strategically, systematically, until your mortgage, your car loan, your credit cards vanish into thin air. It's a cash flow optimization strategy, a debt-killing machine that most financial advisors won't even mention because it cuts into their profits, not yours. Think about it. Your income, your expenses, all flowing through a single, high-powered financial instrument. Every dollar you earn, immediately attacking your principal, reducing the interest you pay, freeing up more cash flow to attack more principal. It's a snowball, on steroids, a financial weapon, and it puts you in absolute control, not the bank. You become the master of your money flow, not its slave. But velocity banking is just the first layer. What if you could become your own bank? What if you could lend yourself money, finance your own investments, and recapture the interest you'd normally pay to a bank for yourself? This is the essence of infinite banking. It's not a scam. It's a century-old strategy used by the ultra-wealthy, kept a closely guarded secret from the masses until now. It involves a specially designed whole life insurance policy, not for death, but for living. You build up a massive cash value, tax-free, that you can borrow against at incredibly low interest rates, without affecting your credit, without begging a bank for permission. You become the lender, the borrower, the beneficiary. You control the flow of capital. You control your financial destiny. It's the ultimate financial loophole, a personal banking system that allows you to grow wealth, access funds, and finance your life on your terms. This is the power they never wanted you to discover. This isn't about being irresponsible. It's about being ruthlessly smart. It's about understanding that the traditional financial system is a rigged game, and you need to know the cheat codes, the exploits, the hidden pathways to power. These strategies aren't for everyone. They require discipline, understanding, and a willingness to challenge every single lie you've ever been told about money. But for those who dare to learn, the rewards are immense, life-changing, generational. This June 22nd, as the summer heats up, so should your financial game. Stop being a pawn, become a player. Stop letting the system dictate your future.
I create my own destiny.
Dictate your own future. These aren't just hacks. They're blueprints for absolute financial power. They're the keys to unlocking the wealth that's rightfully yours. The wealth they've been siphoning off for decades. Are you ready to stop making minimum payments and start making maximum impact? Are you ready to stop being a debtor and start being a lender? Are you ready to expose the lies and reclaim your financial destiny? The choice is yours. Stay in the dark, remain a slave to their system, or step into the blinding light of true financial freedom. The information is here. The strategy is clear. The only thing missing is your action. Don't just watch this video, implement it. Subscribe now for more hidden truths, more actionable strategies, and join the movement of Americans taking back control. Your financial revolution starts today. The clock is ticking. What will you do?